is the choke rheostat, and it melted, and this is how it came in with that goo on there. But when we took it back up, it quit working, and it's marked positive and negative, just like that one is over there. And so the large one is negative, so it'd be ground, and the spade one right there is positive. So do a bolt check on that. And so that green means it's negative. And that's positive. It's showing that it's positive. So those wires are actually, the ends on there are backwards. And you can't hook them up, so we're going to go ahead and cut the ends off and connect it up the right way.